100 kilometers southwest of Beijing, a $100 billion city of the future is rising from the dirt. This is Xiong'an New Area, a monumental project designed to solve an impossible crisis. Beijing was overflowing, choking under the weight of excessive traffic, corporations, and endless expansion. The solution? Build a flawless, high-tech utopia entirely from scratch across 3 rural counties. An army of elite engineers and builders descended upon the plains to execute a master plan. The scale of the earth-moving phase rivaled the largest mining operations on the planet. But the real genius of Xiong'an isn't what's above ground, it's what lies beneath. They engineered a massive 140.01-kilometer underground utility corridor. No overhead wires, no torn-up streets. Every pipe, cable, and power line is housed in a centralized subterranean fortress. This underground labyrinth feeds directly into the city's central nervous system. To support this smart grid, the foundations had to be over-engineered to withstand the test of time. Day and night, the steel skeletons of the future city began to lock into place. Using advanced modular construction, they assembled massive structures with terrifying speed. Deep foundational pillars anchor the smart city, ensuring complete stability for the high-tech hubs above. Deep foundational pillars anchor the smart city, ensuring complete stability for the high-tech hubs above. The crown jewel of the initial phase was the Xiong'an Railway Station, Asia's largest rail hub. A colossal structure topped with smart solar arrays, built in just 2 staggering years. The sheer human effort required to construct this transit hub broke modern engineering records. This station connects Xiong'an directly to the nation's high-speed rail network, slashing travel times to Beijing. Today, high-speed trains rocket into the city, delivering the first wave of residents. But Xiong'an was never meant to be a concrete jungle. It is a pioneer of green urban design. Planners mandated that urban construction be strictly limited to just 30% of the space. The entire city is built as a massive sponge, naturally managing stormwater and preventing floods. Artificial waterways and vast parks were engineered before the residential blocks were even finished. The goal? To ensure that every resident is never more than 300 meters away from a park. Hidden within this natural beauty is a web of advanced surveillance and environmental sensors. Xiong'an is equipped with an advanced digital brain, a centralized artificial intelligence. This supercomputer hub monitors traffic, energy usage, and municipal systems in real time. The digital brain aggregates vast amounts of data, anticipating the city's needs before they even arise. It is a city that breathes, thinks, and adapts to its millions of inhabitants. To populate this utopia, the government executed one of the largest corporate relocations in history. Centrally administered state-owned enterprises erected hundreds of new branches. These massive high-tech hubs are designed to support high-end, original innovation and global research.
They engineered the ultimate 15-minute city.
Everything you need, groceries, schools, and hospitals, is just a short walk away. The precision required to build this perfectly integrated lifestyle was staggering. Over 120,000 residents have already been relocated to these futuristic districts. Every drop of water and watt of energy is recycled
and optimized. Xiong'an is powered entirely by clean, sustainable energy grids imported from neighboring regions. The construction itself utilized cutting-edge automation and robotics to accelerate the timeline. Automated fleets paved roads and moved earth with millimeter precision. The human element, combined with machine precision, forged a city out of nothing. It has completely rebalanced the economic geography of northern China. Zones like the Jinhu Future City are now the epicenter of national research and development. Upgraded to a national-level cluster, this zone is heavily secured and fiercely innovative. With the infrastructure locked in place, the population is set to explode to 5 million.
Down below, the automated systems keep the city's core running flawlessly. Every kilometer of this city was earned through raw power and relentless dedication.
The first major phase is complete, but the grand vision extends far into the mid-21st century.
Rivers were rerouted, and bridges of steel and glass were forged to connect the sectors. What started as a digital blueprint is now a colossal, physical reality. The foundations of the future are built on unbreakable concrete and forged steel. Even the road networks are designed to integrate seamlessly with autonomous public transit. The asphalt itself speaks to the vehicles, optimizing traffic flow to zero congestion. Blanketed in next-generation networks, Xiong'an operates with zero latency. Every inch of dirt moved was a calculated step toward ultimate efficiency. By 2035, the city will be fully erected, a beacon of global modernization. A city that sleeps, but never powers down. Every structure is stress-tested against extreme weather and seismic activity. Nature and high-tech architecture are fused into a single, living organism. The greening of Xiong'an required importing millions of plants to establish an instant ecosystem. They restored the region's massive wetlands, turning a polluted lake into the lungs of the city.
The ecosystem was engineered with the same precision as the steel towers.
It was a brutal cleanup operation, resetting decades of industrial damage.
Today, the waters run crystal clear, a testament to the master plan.
Beneath the surface, an intricate subway network is being carved out of the bedrock.
Relentless machines chew through the earth, expanding the city's subterranean veins.
The men behind the machines work around the clock in the depths of the earth.
These caverns will soon pulse with the movement of millions of daily commuters.
The logistics of feeding the largest construction site on Earth required absolute perfection. The logistics of feeding the largest construction site on Earth required absolute perfection. Steel, glass, and concrete poured in from every corner of the nation. Millions of tons of materials were processed, staged, and assembled at breakneck speed. To fuel the city, they built vast energy farms that harvest the sun. The grid is entirely self-sufficient, dynamically routing power exactly where it is needed.
A centralized command center monitors the heartbeat of the entire megacity. The Civic Center stands as the architectural anchor of the new capital. Every pane of glass is engineered to regulate temperature and maximize natural light. It is an engineering marvel of energy conservation. The city's data centers are integrated into the earth to utilize natural geothermal cooling.
This hardware houses the memories, transactions, and operations of millions of citizens.
Protected by impenetrable encryption, it is the most secure municipal network on Earth.
As the dust settles, the pristine reality of Xiong'an reveals itself.
The heavy lifting is done. The age of the smart city has officially begun. The streets belong to the people, free from the congestion of the old world. A masterpiece of traffic engineering, where every journey is optimized. The city stands as a monument to what limitless capital and total engineering control can achieve.
The transition from the world's largest construction site to the world's smartest city is complete.
From the micro to the macro, every element is part of a singular, massive machine.
Security is seamless, invisible, and absolute. This is the new ground zero for global technological dominance.
The airspace itself is mapped and managed for autonomous logistics.
The infrastructure was built not just for today, but for the technologies of tomorrow.
Even nature is sustained by the city's hidden digital intelligence. The ultimate goal was habitability, a perfect balance of human life and nature. The connection back to Beijing is now a seamless, ultra-fast corridor, moving millions of people with terrifying efficiency. The pressure on the ancient capital has finally been released.
The finest minds and top researchers are now pouring into the city.
The builders of Xiong'an have rewritten the rules of urban development.
Engineering marvels that would take decades elsewhere were completed in mere months. A synthetic paradise, forged from mud and billions of dollars. A display of absolute mastery over the environment.
Maintenance is entirely proactive, predicted by the city's AI before a failure ever occurs. The city is self-healing, designed to survive and adapt independently.
A sharp line where the future meets the past. The expansion continues, phase by phase, marching toward the ultimate vision.
Xiong'an is not just a local solution, it is a global command center. It represents a complete paradigm shift in how human beings inhabit the Earth. They leave behind a masterpiece of steel, glass, and code.
The city brain registers perfect harmony, energy, traffic, and life in absolute balance. $100 billion gamble that changed the face of China forever.
Xiong'an New Area is no longer just a project. It is a living, breathing reality.
The most advanced, comprehensively planned megacity in human history. Built from nothing, designed for everything.
This is the city of the future. This is Xiong'an.
Subscribe to witness the next mega project.